This video shows how to buy shares of Hargreaves Services Plc. Hargreaves Services Plc is an industrial services and infrastructure company listed on the LSE Plc under the ticker HSP.L. This content is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker HSP.L to locate Hargreaves Services Plc. Select the matching listing to open the company page and confirm the correct stock. On the stock page, review the company's basic profile and view the price chart to confirm you have the right listing. Check the name, market LSE, and ticker HSP.L before moving forward. Click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order details and confirm to place the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the eToro link is provided in the description below.